Hi, my name is Mr. Hillesheim, and I teach Math 7 at Olson Middle School. I'm here to show this video to you today on just the important things that you need to know about Infinite Campus and how you can best serve and help your child so that they can achieve the grade that they wish to achieve. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at the email address down below. All right, let's take a look at a student's detailed report so we kind of have an idea of what we are looking at. So I have the two different categories that are showing right here. I don't have any tests in, but as you can see, formative quick quizzes are worth 25% of a student's grade, and homework is worth 5% of a grade. And then the tests will make up 70% of the grade. Okay, so when you look at this, the quick quizzes are going to be your thing that you're going to want to make sure to focus on with your son or daughter. And the reason why that is because they're just 4-question quizzes that we do in class, but the students will do plenty of practice prior to that. And so these quizzes have 25 are worth 25% of the student's grade. So when I look at this, I see that quick quiz number 2, the divisibility rules, it tells me what the students all needed to do in order for that target, or what the requirements were of that target. And then in looking here at quick quiz number 3, if I look at the comment, it says needs to complete a proof of practice on Moodle to retake by the test retake deadline. Well, if I look over here, I see the student scored a 2 out of 4 points. I know that's 50%. So you're probably telling your student, you need to fix this because Mr. Hillesheim has said that you can retake any quick quiz and you can retake them up to 2 times. Well, if you can't figure out how to retake it, the good news is the retake can be done right online. I can also look here at the divisibility rules, and I see that the student got a 3 out of 4, which means that it's 75%. So 75%, a student may want to consider retaking this. It's not always required of them, but if they do get enough 3 out of 4s, it is enough to pull their grade down because it is only 75%. So let me go to the Moodle page so we can kind of take a look at this. And I'm on the Math 7 Moodle page right now. And these are just all the different tabs that we have on the Moodle page. And the one of significance for you, in order to retake any quick quiz, I'm going to look right here for the proof of practice and quick quiz retakes. Quick quiz retakes can be done during academic seminar on Tuesdays and Thursdays, which the students have approximately 35 minutes to retake any quick quiz or work with other teachers too during that time. But that's every Tuesday and Thursday. They could also come in for study lunch and do that. All right, so when I go to this proof of practice, I click on the tab, and then you will see a list of the different proof of practices that are here. So it's labeled Target 1, Order of Operations, Proof of Practice. But I don't want Target 1. I want to go to Target 3 since that's what it told me to do on my detailed list. So if I go to Target 3, then I'm just going to click on this link, and it's going to take me into a practice. So I can attempt the quiz right now if I would like to, and then I need to get 100% on that in order for me to for the retake to show up. So after I get 100% on this, this gray part is now going to turn to green, and it's going to allow me to do the retake. Now, the one catch with the retake is the retakes can't be done at home. They do need to be done at school, which is why they need to be in there for the academic seminar time. The good news is if I don't do very well on this quick quiz retake, this will be my new score. However, I will be allowed to complete one more proof of practice, and there should be another quick quiz that will show up underneath here. That should really cover what you need to know about retaking any quick quizzes. If you have questions about kind of the homework and how that's all works, you can continue watching the video. Otherwise, else this should really conclude the video. Okay, so now if I go to the homework part of this, I'm looking right down here, and remember, homework's only worth 5% of the grade. So right here, all of the points have been hit on the homework, so 5 out of 5. But in case if you wanted to know where some of these homework assignments are, most of them can be entered in online, and I'll show you where they can be entered in online. So if I go back to my Moodle page, and then I'm just going to close that tab, and I go to my homework page, and then I can just click right here, and it's going to take, so it takes me straight here to this homework page, and you can see right here a check mark should be filled in if a student has completed this all the way and received the amount of points that they need to for this. So this can kind of just be a very quick check for you, just looking at this to see if they have it done. But there will be a lot of the textbook assignments will be entered in on this Moodle page. So that's how students can kind of take care of some of their homework things and just the different things that we're doing in the class. Otherwise else, there is some of the homework can be on the other Moodle page underneath some of the targets. So each target has a video with a practice that's built in underneath, where students could be entering answers in as well for that. These practices are required for the students to get 100% on them in order for the quick quiz to show up. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me and contact me about any questions that you may have.